This is how most of you usually fall for some of this wallet scam. Okay, you have your coin in your wallet, and then you come back the next day, you discover that the entire coin, everything is empty. Okay, now these scammers, if you check the last video I uploaded, okay, I told you guys about how scammers operate, and then how some big scammers have been able to scam a lot of users. Okay, so apart from most of them, most of their strategies are using exchange platform. Okay, now this is a scam that usually takes place on a decentralized wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. This is how they carry it out. They have a backdoor. They imitate big platform just like Trust Wallet itself, and then have you to send you your details, and then once you send them your details, they empty your wallet. Look at just the simple strategy that they apply. Now, those of us that are actually crypto kind of influencers will receive a lot of scam email every single day. I don't know about others, but for myself, I receive a lot of scam emails every single day telling you stuff like, you see, promotion manager or promo manager, they'll be like, okay, we want you to promote this NFT for, we'll pay you $1,200. Want to promote the other NFT, we'll pay you $2,000. They'll just state the price outrightly, and then they'll, okay, when you say, okay, I'm ready to promote, then they'll now send you a file, a legal file to download. And once you hit download, that file is actually in .ex. That is, it's a software, not a file, and it runs in the background of your phone. And once you click on that file, you've automatically enabled them to monitor you. So most times, what I usually do when that happens, I check the file. If it's actually PDF, if it's not PDF, tell them no, you have to send me PDF. Okay. So before I download them, so that's how one popular crypto influencer, I think what was his name, 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏, was actually one of his NFT was stolen. NFT worth thousands of dollars was stolen through the same means. So this one is just what goes around for those people that are actually normal users, and every other person. This is the kind of scam that is bound to come your way. Okay. All right. Right, this is how it goes. Okay, so I was going through the spam box of my email. There, I received an important email, and then it went into the spam box from my bank. So I had to check the spam box. So when I was going through it, I saw some of these fishy emails. So I thought I should make video about it for you guys. Okay, look at the promotion manager I was telling you about. Look at this one. Okay, hello, Azuki NFT commercial manager, blah blah blah. We would like to offer you cooperation advertising. We are willing to pay you 1,800 for 15 seconds video at the beginning of your video. We want to promote our Azuki NFT. And the funny thing with these people is this one does not include any NFT page. But the funny thing with these people is that they usually put the real NFT, okay, but they are not the one in charge. Okay, and one similar thing with these kind of emails, is that they end with CZ. Okay, I guess they are trying to imitate Binance, owner, or some of them end with .ua. Okay, so when you see that this kind of emails, avoid them. They are pure scam, and they are trying to get you scammed. Okay, now this is the one that I'm actually making this video for. Look at this one. It's clearly stated Trust Wallet support account validation. Okay, so any newbies that doesn't pay attention to details will clearly think that, oh, this is fucking Trust Wallet. A Trust Wallet sent me email, and then I did not go through it. Oh man. But if you check very well, if we go through Trust Wallet website, sorry, I was checking some music right here. Let's say Trust Wallet. Okay, Trust Wallet has an extension of .com. It's not .anything, it's .com. Okay, the domain. So now this one, their own Trust Wallet is Trust Wallet at support.law.lol. Okay, which is purely not Trust Wallet. Okay, then the next thing they sent was, okay, our system has shown that your Trust Wallet has not been verified. Nobody verified Trust Wallet in the first place. They don't verify Trust Wallet, and once you have your coverage rate, in fact, nobody should tell you to verify Trust Wallet, because that's a pure scam. This verification can be done easily on the page below. Due to a new
update of NFT and coins, all unverified accounts will be suspended within 48 hours. They even put a time limit. Okay, keep this account in the next 48 hours to see if your Trust Wallet is suspended. Trust Wallet cannot suspend your account. It's a decentralized wallet, for God's sake. They can't suspend your account. Okay, even if Trust Wallet decide to tamper with your account, you can get your account on MetaMask. Okay, so and they customize the email. Who know the thousands of persons they might have sent this email to, and then those kind of persons will actually fall prey of this. So that's why most of you that are not actually subscribed to channel like mine, I don't know, you are missing a lot, because you just even if you are a crypto person, you don't know everything. I personally don't know everything, so I learn every day. We learn every day. We learn from each other, so we get to discover more and more new stuff from each others, because crypto is a new industry. So look at this. They said, we are sorry for an inconvenience we caused with this, but please keep in mind that our intention is to keep our customers safe and happy. Okay, once you complete the process, your account will be instantly verified and there's no further action required by you. With regards, okay, Trust Wallet. Okay, Trust Wallet actually sent an email with a clear signature, and there's you can subscribe or unsubscribe. Okay, you can see that there's no subscription on that, and you cannot unsubscribe, so they cannot use a valid email providers like that. You need subscription to send this kind of emails, because they will be banned. Okay, just like MailChimp does not allow anything cryptocurrency. So let's click verify. Okay, so first of all, you don't click on phishing links. Okay, but these I'm very sure of. Okay, I don't have any risky stuffs here. So I click proceed. Now you can clearly see in the metadata is this part where I highlighted. It's actually, the domain is actually verified by, I don't know, whoever provider that they use, Namecheap or GoDaddy. It's already verified, meaning that it looks like a real domain. Verify app/trustwallet.html. Okay, it's still .law. Okay, then here they came here and say Trust Wallet. I believe they might do this for MetaMask too. They clearly left Trust Wallet right here, and then they expect you to put your 12 key recovery phrase. Okay, let me just paste random words. Okay, so even if, the funny thing is, even if these words are not correct, okay, this should go. Okay, look at this. If you count this, you see that these words are more than 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 20. Okay, let's click on proceed. Click on proceed. Let's see where it will take us. Boom. So that is not a validator. So if it was a validator, it will take it, if the words are not complete, it will tell you that they are not complete. Although some of them might still go as far as taking you to a real validator that will have to make sure that the words are actually 12 or 24. They can go as far as that, but this is like a novice coding pattern. And the funny thing is, they even redirected you to the real Trust Wallet website, so that you have nothing to fear at the end. Okay, so after you've input your recovery phrase, they redirect you to the real Trust Wallet website to download the app, so that you have nothing to fear. So at the end of the day, they have control of your recovery phrase, and the next thing you see, you start receiving debit until your account is totally empty, and then you'll be thinking that Trust Wallet is infiltrated. Meanwhile, you gave out your recovery phrase freely. So a lot of person fall prey of this. And you think that, oh gosh, I'm scammed again. Okay, by the same wallet provider, not knowing that you actually gave them the chance to do that. So subscribe to my channel right now. Like this video and subscribe. Have I said subscribe more than 3 times? Yeah, now just subscribe. Thank you.
One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two.